Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie and today we are exploring Helsinki in Finland. What? So I'm meeting with Flying the Nest tomorrow for another trip with Trova trip, and today I'm just exploring Helsinki on my own. We are in Finland for the next 7 days. I just got to my hotel finally in Helsinki and it's beautiful. It's called the Scandic Grand Central and it's right by the Grand Central station. So I have about 40 minutes to kill before I catch the ferry to go on Suomenlinna, which is an island with a fortress. I bought a 24-hour pass. I took the train from the airport all the way to my hotel, and it also includes the ferries. I don't have to buy a separate ticket for the ferry to the island. Welcome to Suomenlinna. It is a sea fortress built on 6 different islands. In 1991, it was declared a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. And apparently there are 800 people that reside here all year round. So now I'm crossing a bridge. You can walk around and hop on the different islands. The island I'm currently on is the Naval Academy. I believe it's one of the smallest islands. So I've seen some people coming off the ferry with some suitcases, and there is a hotel here on the island, so if you wish to stay, you can do that. I'm a kid, I'm gonna slide too. Wish me luck so I don't end up in a tree. I love this. This was unexpected, a fun thing to do that's free. It's just there, you do it, you have fun, and you create some memories.
Never been here before, but I feel like I'm home. Yeah. Put my feet on the road, meet me over the coast. We got places.
They have some little pathways that are made all over the islands. I believe I'm on the main island. Not too sure where I am. I'll eventually find my way, I'm sure. But yeah, it's not even 4 p.m. So here the sun sets at 3 something tonight. So I got here, it was about 2:30. And I'm just enjoying a walk. It is now 3:49 p.m. and it's time for me to head back to central Helsinki. Trying the glöggi, which is a Christmas drink, a hot wine. It tastes like mulled wine. I'm guessing it's the same, but it's called glöggi. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but let's try it. It's good. We're on a tour in Helsinki and our tour guide just explained to us that some blocks have pictures of animals on the corners so that people that were illiterate could find their way back home. Hi, Sam!
Hi! Don't trip!
So the brown ones are saunas. I didn't even notice last night when I was here, but yeah, they actually do have saunas on the Ferris wheel. Saunas are a very important part of the Finnish culture. They have them everywhere. Here you have one by the harbor. Just learned that alcohol is very expensive here in Helsinki, so what the people will do is catch a ferry all the way to Estonia, buy booze for the next 6 months, bring it back home, and that's how they do it. We're on a tram going to Cafe Regatta. And then, yeah, so we split from the group. 3 of us. Yes. 3 musketeers. What is it? On our way to the famous Cafe Regatta, they serve sausages that you can grill over the open fire, some hot chocolates. I've heard they also got some really good cinnamon buns, so we're gonna go try them out. Got the goods, hot chocolate and a sausage, and we'll go on the open fire and cook them. What? Verdict? Oh, verdict.
Very good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
What about you?
10 out of 10.
Nice. 10 out of 10. So the building was originally built in 1887 and it was used by the family who built it to store their fish nets. But in 1952 it became a cafe. And it used to be only in the summer, but now you can come all year round, as you can see.
Oh my gosh! I gotta get it out before in front of him. No!
What are we doing?
I'm so scared.
We're about to
Jump in the Baltic Sea and and
cold
get
plunge.
in the sauna. Yeah, cold
and
plunge.
it's snowing and it's windy.
And Katie's really excited. Alright, so we've just arrived for our next adventure. We're going to the Löyly spa. Well, it's not a spa, sorry, it's a sauna. Löyly means it's the steam that comes from pouring water on the hot stones. So that's what that word means. And that's in Finnish. And we're gonna go after jump in the Baltic Sea to freeze our bums. So we shall see how it goes.
Wow!
All right. I hope you know how much I appreciate you.
You can do it!
Go!
You did it! I did it!
So did you? It was painful.
That's so funny, we had a whole audience.
Yeah. I might do it again.
Get in! Get in!
How are we feeling?
Good.
Good? Second time?
Second time was worse for me. This is colder. What about you?
Same, worse. What about you? It's the end of our Helsinki adventure.
Yay!
Where are we going next?
Rovaniemi!
Yay! Lapland!
Lapland, here we come, baby!
We're going good, we're going good. So we're traveling for 2 weathers here, 3 months, that's what we've packed.
3.5 people, right?
Yeah, 3.5, yeah.
people.
We're home for the night.
Oh,
invoice you over.